Hello and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to set up and connect Google Analytics on your website. Let's get started. First, we'll need to create our account with Google Analytics. To do this, go to analytics.google.com and log into your Google account. Click here to start the process. First, we're setting up the account. Enter your account name. I'll go with JDS Creative Studio. Here you can select what data you want to share with Google. Check or uncheck the boxes. Click on Next. Now we'll move on to the property setup. Here you will enter the property name. Select your time zone and currency. Next, we are entering our business information. Fill it out. Now let's create our account. Accept the terms of service. And now we can select what platform we are connecting this account to. In this case, it's for web. Select whether you are using HTTP or HTTPS. Enter your full domain and your website's name. Select Create Stream. We now have our tracking code and profile created. Go to Add New on Page tag and select Global Site tag. Copy this code. Now that we have our tracking code created, we're going to install the code into our website. And this tutorial will show you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website or Squarespace. Remember that once you install your Google Analytics tracking code, it can take up to 48 hours until it starts working. There are a few ways that you can connect Google Analytics to your WordPress website, and this tutorial will cover 3 different methods. First, 2 options are using either the Monster Insight plugin or the Insert Header and Footer plugin. The last method is directly installing the tracking code into your theme files. Let's get started. We'll first need to install the plugin. To do this, go to Plugins, select Add New. In the search box, type Monster Insights. When the plugin comes up, click on Install Now, then activate. Next, we'll integrate the plugin with your Google Analytics account. To do this, click on the Insights tab on your WordPress dashboard. Select Launch Setup Wizard. Follow the prompt that appears. You will then have to connect your Google account. Select Connect Monster Insights. Sign into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. You will then select Allow to give permissions to Monster Insights. Next, you'll select the Google Analytics profile you want to connect to in the drop-down menu. Select Complete Connection. Review the recommended settings page. The default settings should work for most websites. Scroll down and click on Save and Continue. Next, you'll see some additional add-ons that you can upgrade to. You can just skip this by clicking on Save and Continue. The next section will recommend downloading WP Forms, which you can skip by clicking on Skip this step. And you're done. We'll first need to install the plugin. To do this, go to Plugins, select Add New. In the search box, type Insert Header and Footer. When the plugin comes up, click on Install Now, and then activate. Next, we'll add the tracking code you copied to the header section. To do this, click on the Settings tab, select Insert Header and Footer. On this page, you'll go to the Scripts and Header section, paste your Google Analytics tracking code there. Select Save, and you're all done. Plugins are a great tool for any WordPress website, but sometimes we don't need all the features that are included or prefer to manually input certain things. Integrating Google Analytics to your WordPress website can be done without installing an extra plugin to your website. With this method, we will install the tracking code directly to your theme header files. You'll first have to access your theme files. Go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Here, you'll search for your theme's header.php file. Select the file. Within that file, search for the body tag. Right underneath it, you will paste the tracking code. Keep in mind that some themes, such as the Genesis Framework or Divi themes, will have the section where you can add the tracking code to the header without having to make changes to the core theme files. Check the documentation for your theme to see if the option is available or search for it in your theme settings. Usually, you can find this available within the Theme tab on your WordPress dashboard. On your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings, Advanced, and select Code Injection. Here, you will paste a tracking code. And you're all done. Make sure to save your changes. Thank you for watching our Google Analytics tutorial. For more tutorials and resources, make sure to subscribe to our channel or visit our blog.